Hey YouTube, I'm doing another hairstyle today. I'm trying to do a quick hairstyle. I didn't have much time before I had to make it somewhere to go, so I'm going to do some jumbo twists with a side bun. So I'm just parting my hair for my first two jumbo twists on my right side, kind of having them curving around. These two twists are just going to go from the front to the top of my ear. My hair has already been freshly co-washed. I have my leave-in conditioner on, and I'm just using my Echo styling gel to flat twist my hair going back, and then I twist it all the way to the end. Okay, so now it's time to start at the twist on the other side, and these are just going to be wrapping all the way around to the back. So I started maybe about an inch to half an inch from my nape and brought my twist all the way around to the other side. And I'm just going to continue following that pattern all the way around until I get to the top of my head. Now here at this part, you can see my breakage area. It is growing. Yay! Those little shorter sections is from that point all the way up to the crown of my head. I had breakage, and at one point I couldn't even create any jumbo twists in my hair because those areas were so short, almost to the scalp. So they have grown out quite a bit, and I am happy. I can do some big twists that look uniform now. So just like I did the first twist, I'm doing this twist the same way, just flat twisting it to the scalp all the way around to meet that other section by my ear, and I'm twisting it all the way to the ends. Okay, so I'm all done with my twist. So next, since it's still damp and really wet with gel, I'm going to tie it down with a scarf so it'll dry nice and smooth and shiny. So fast forwarding 4 days. I just wore my hair twisted, nothing special. It got a little frizzy, so I refreshed it by spraying it with a little water, and I ordered a couple of samples from hairvita.com. I really like their red tea gel. It does the trick when it comes to refreshing hair styles and twists. It leaves it smooth and shiny. You just wet it down and tie it up, and that's all you need to do. So I'm just putting the ends of my twists back into a small little bun, and I have my Marley braid ponytail that I created, rubber band on each end, connect it to my hair with my ouchless band, and wrap it around and make a bun. I'm using bobby pins and hairpins to secure my bun so that it will stay in nicely without moving around. And this is my second week wearing this hairstyle. The first time I did this style, I didn't do it on camera, and I got so many compliments on it, and it was such an easy hairstyle to wear that I decided to do it a second time on camera. But I wasn't able to do it all in one segment. So I hope you enjoyed this style. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.